The Elephant and Parrot. Once upon a time, in a small village, everyone lived happily with each other. A parrot was very sad. He lived in a cage and he wanted to fly freely. After putting in lots of efforts, the parrot finally got his freedom. He flew away and reached a forest. He liked the forest environment. He ate a variety of fruits in the forest. He was very happy. One day, the parrot saw an elephant. The elephant was sleeping under a tree. He got an idea. He flew and came near the elephant, and he hit the elephant's head with his beak. The elephant woke up. The parrot laughed. The elephant got angry and said, "What is your problem, silly parrot?" The parrot said, "It is just a joke, my friend." The elephant slept again. The parrot started doing the same thing again. The elephant screamed and said, "You are still here? You have not left? Don't you have any work?" But the parrot thought that the elephant was also joking with him. The parrot hit the elephant again and again with his beak. The elephant left from there, thinking that he left the parrot behind. However, the parrot came back and started hitting the elephant again with his beak. And then he flew away. Now the elephant was angry. He thought that he should teach the parrot a lesson. The elephant went into the pond. He drowned completely into the water and left his head out. Parrot was seeing all the scene and was laughing. The parrot said, "Hey, you are getting to me, huh?" The parrot teased the elephant again and again and sat on the elephant's head. The elephant knew that the parrot was sitting on his head. The parrot started teasing the elephant again. The elephant filled his trunk with water. The parrot came near him, and then the elephant splashed the entire trunk of water on the parrot. The parrot fell down into the pond. The elephant was very kind. He lifted the parrot and threw him on the land. The parrot realized his mistake and said sorry to the elephant. The elephant forgave the parrot and went away.